Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Work in a well-ventilated area with good lighting and a clear workspace. Wear ESD wrist strap and heat-resistant gloves to protect the board and yourself. Gather tools: soldering iron, hot air gun, flux, Desolder braid, solder sucker, tweezers. Set hot air to 320 degrees C and soldering iron to 350 degrees C for stubborn joints. Remove battery and power sources before starting to avoid shorts and damage. Document screw locations and connector orientation with photos for correct reassembly later. Preheat the board gently for 1 minute to reduce thermal shock during removal. Start by applying flux to the USB C pads and solder joints to improve heat transfer. Use a desoldering braid with a heated soldering iron to wick away excess solder. For rugged ports, soften solder with a hot air gun at 320 degrees C for about 40 seconds. Gently lift the port using fine tweezers as solder liquefies. Keep even pressure. If pins remain soldered, use a solder sucker to clear individual pads carefully. Avoid prying or twisting the board to prevent lifting traces or tearing pads. Inspect under magnification to confirm all connections are free before removing the port. After removal, clean pads with isopropyl alcohol and a soft brush to remove flux. Use solder paste or fresh solder and flux to tin each pad before placing the new port. Align the replacement port, tack 2 corner pins to hold it in place temporarily. Reflow each pad with a controlled soldering iron set to 350 degrees C for 5 to 8 seconds. Check continuity with a multimeter and reattach any shield screws and mounting hardware. Perform a functional test by connecting a cable and measuring V-bus for expected voltage. Clean residual flux, reassemble the chassis, and test data line.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.